everyone, good day to you all. Now let us learn some grammar concepts and learn how to build English sentences through it.
Now let us get into today's program. So today we shall discuss about some questions I shall start and you give me the answers. Okay, right. So I start off with Anil. Anil, what are you doing?
I am studying MCS. Sir.
Achha, you are studying MCA, very good. And madam, what are you doing?
I am doing jobs.
Achha, you are doing job. In English, we don't say I am doing job. In Telugu, it is possible, nenu pani chestunanu. But in English, we say I am working. Right? Very good. Then what about you?
I am preparing competitive exams.
Achha, you are preparing for competitive examinations. Very good. What sort of competitive examinations?
Groups.
Groups. Very good. Nice. Shrikant.
I am also prepared.
I am also preparing for competitive examinations. Very good. Nice.
I am searching for a job.
You are searching for a job. What sort of job you would like to
Like typist, like that.
Achha, typist. Do you know typing?
Yes, sir.
Very good, nice. So, now what are all these questions related to? What did I speak about? I was speaking about some actions which were going on. Very good, nice. Now, how to tell about actions that are happening now? For this, in English we have a nice concept, and this concept in grammar terms we call it as the present continuous tense. Otherwise, it is about ongoing actions or things happening now. For example, now what are we doing? Now you are sitting in a classroom. You are listening to the teacher who is speaking. You are writing down some notes. Similarly, ask, what is she doing? Then your answer, what is she doing? She is
Sitting on the chair.
She is sitting on the chair. Very good. What is he doing?
He is listening.
He is listening. He is listening to the lesson. Very good. What is she doing?
She writing on.
She is writing.
She is writing.
She is writing something. Very good. What are the people doing at the bus stop? What are the people doing at the bus stop? They are
Waiting for
waiting
bus.
for the bus. Very good. Nice. What is the priest doing in the temple? What is the priest doing in the temple? The
Yes.
priest is
Meditation.
He is meditating,
Meditating.
okay. Or he is performing the puja. Okay, very good. Then Naresh, what is your mother doing now at home?
She is going to
She is
Work.
going to
work.
Acha, she is going for her work. She is going to her office. Okay, very good. Nice. What is your brother doing?
She is doing his work.
Acha, yeah, he is doing his work. Very good. Nice. Now, what is your neighbor doing now?
She is cooking.
She is cooking. Very good. So, what are all these sentences related to? Once again, they are actions going on now. So, how do we represent these actions? We use the V4 form of the verb. What is V4 form? It is the ing form of the verb. Verb is divided into 4 parts: V1 and Vs, V2, V3 and V4. V4 is the ing form of the verb. To this verb, we put auxiliaries, we add auxiliaries. They are the B forms. What are B forms? Am, is and are. So, am, is, are plus the V4, that gives you the present continuous tense. And how do we frame this structure? Am is used with
I.
Very good. Is used with
He, she, it.
he, she, it or any singular noun for that matter. Good. And are is used with
You.
you,
We.
they and any plural noun. Very good. So, for example, I have the word like this. I have some words. I study BTech. How to frame a sentence?
I am studying
I am studying
BTech.
BTech. He go college.
He is going
He is going to college. They sit auditorium.
they are sitting on the
In the auditorium, not on the auditorium, in the auditorium. Very good. Then you watch TV.
You are watching
You are
TV.
watching TV. Nice. One more combination we say. Gardener water plants.
Gardener are watering plant.
Gardener is gardener singular. So gardener is watering the plants. So all these things we are using the be forms am is are plus the V4. So now we shall note down some expressions for that. Okay, right? This is the present continuous. The present continuous. So what do you mean by present continuous? It is about things happening now, or we call it as ongoing actions. So now tell me some sentences we just now we spoke. Tell me those examples.
I am writing.
I am writing. Very good. I am writing.
We are reading.
We are reading. We are reading. Can we extend this sentence? For example, I am writing. Can we extend this sentence? Some more words in that. I am writing.
I am writing notes.
The notes. Very good. Similarly, this one also.
We are reading books.
We are reading books. Very good. Yes.
They are playing the games.
They are playing games. Okay. They are playing games.
We are learning English.
Good, good example. We are learning English. One more place.
We are listening class.
We are listening to the class. Always for listen we need the verb, we need the pronoun, the preposition to. So we are listening to the class or to the class teacher, to a person. Very good, nice. So what do we see in all these actions? We find the auxiliaries and we also have the V4 form. Now I want one more example with is. So a singular noun. Give me one more example with is.
He is.
He is. Continue the sentence.
He is writing on the book.
Writing is already we have used. So
He
one
is
more.
sitting on the chair.
He is sitting on the chair. Okay, very good. He is sitting on the chair. Very good. So what is the structure? We see it is am, is, are plus the V4 form of the verb. The V4 form is also called as the ing form or the ing form of the verb. This is how the basic structure of the present continuous would be there. So in the present continuous we find that we use the structure am is are plus V4, that is the ing form of the verb. Now I shall give you a task. You will write down the task and then answer. So the task is you need to frame sentences for me. I have given you sets of words and the pronouns. You can even use names. Remember that it should be am, is or are plus before. This is the structure which you are using. Okay, you can frame number of sentences. First we will discuss oral, then we shall put them on board. Okay, so Srikanth, you can take any combination.
I am washing the clothes.
Yeah, I am washing my clothes. Okay, good. Right. Anil,
I am teaching
I am
lessons.
I am reading lessons. Use the combinations which I have given over there. I am reading lessons. Good.
She is reading newspaper.
She is reading newspaper. Very good.
She is singing songs.
She is singing songs. Good.
She is cooking meals.
She is cooking meals. Very good. Can you frame with it? It. For example, a bird, a parrot.
The parrot flying.
Flying.
The parrot
Flying.
is flying.
He is
Huh?
flying.
He is flying. Where is the parrot flying? He is flying
He
in
is
the
flying
sky.
Sky.
Okay. Then what about names? Names of persons, places, things. Any of the nouns.
Sita.
Valmiki is writing
Ramayana.
Ramayana.
Swamiji is writing Ramayana. Okay. Sita.
Sita is washing cloth.
Sita is washing clothes. Sita and Ramayana. With this, any one example? Naresh is watching the news. I want Ramayana's example with Sita.
We are listening.
Tree, Sita, tree, Ramayana.
The tree.
Any idea?
Sita is sitting on the tree.
Under the tree. Very good. In Ramayana you find Sita is sitting under the Ashoka tree. Very good. Still,
We are reading lessons.
we are reading our lessons. Very good. Now you can give your own examples also. You can hear from distance in the temple a bell. So what do you say? Somebody is doing an action.
They are.
They are. What do you say for that?
Bell.
What do you say that word? They are ringing the bells. They are ringing the bells. So somebody comes to our house, they ring the bell on the door. They are ringing the doorbell. Still, you can hear the birds making sound. You say that the birds are chirping. Chirping means the sound what birds make. Still, any more examples?
They are cooking.
They are cooking. Okay, very good. Right. In the hotel, the cooks are cooking. Now we will write down 5 sentences. Okay.
They are going.
They are going to. They are going to some place.
Movie.
Okay. They are going to the movie. They are going to the temple also. Okay. Next.
She is preparing for the exams.
She is preparing for the exam. Very good.
I am going to temple.
I am going to a temple. I am going to a temple. Now give me with a person, Rajesh for example.
Rajesh learning spoken English in RK Math.
Right, Rajesh is learning spoken English in RK Math. Now I will put an animal name over here, because when you think of names, names are all nouns. So one animal. Say for example, tiger. Tiger is
Roaring.
lions roar. Tigers don't roar.
Catching the deer.
Is hunting the deer.
Hunting the deer.
Is hunting the deer. Tiger is hunting the deer. Very good, nice. So, when we think of actions which are happening now, things which are happening now or ongoing actions, we use the structure am, is, are plus the before. Okay. So, at home also practice some more examples and you can easily learn this structure. Okay. So, that is all for today. So, meet you in next episode. Thank you.